Hello students, physics chapter number 2, numerical number 9. When brakes are applied, the speed of a train decreases from 96 km per hour to 48 km per hour. Here V1 is equal to 96 km per hour and V2 48 km per hour. First of all, we convert these values into meter per second. For this, multiply with 1000 and divided by 36. Answer will be 26.67 meter per second. 48 into 1000 divided by 3600. Answer will be 13.33 meter per second. When brakes are applied, the speed of train decreases from 96 to 48 in 800 meter. Distance 800 meter. How much further will the train moves before coming to rest? S2 question mark, and we name this distance by S1. And if train comes in rest, then V3 is equal to 0 meter per second, assuming the retardation to be constant. In this numerical, first of all, we will find acceleration. For this, we use third equation of motion. 2as is equal to Vf square. Here final velocity is V2 minus Vi square, V1 square. V1 is initial velocity and V2 is final velocity. So in place of Vf, we can write V2, and in place of Vi, we can write V1. Putting values 2 into 8 into 800 is equal to V2 13.33 square minus 26.67 square. Now we can use calculator. 800 into 2 is equal to 1600 into 8 is equal to 13.33 square. 177.69. 26.67 square. 711.30. 1600 into 8 is equal to 177.69 minus 711.30 is equal to minus 5, 3, 3.61. 1600 multiplying on left hand side. When we bring 1600 to right hand side, then it will be divided. So A is equal to minus 533.61 divided by 1600. Divided by 1600. Acceleration is equal to minus 0.334 meter per second square. We have to find S2. For this, again we use third equation of motion. 2as3 is equal to final velocity. Now final velocity is v3 minus initial velocity. Initial velocity is v2. Final velocity square minus initial velocity square. Putting values in place of A, we can write minus 0.334. Final velocity 0 square minus initial velocity 13.33. Two into 0.334 is equal to minus 0.667 into S3. Zero square is 0 minus 13.33 square is equal to 177.69. Minus is cancelled with minus. 0.667 multiplying on left hand side. When we bring 0.667 on right hand side, then it will be divided. S3 is equal to 177.69 divided by 0.667. 177.69 divided by 0.667 is equal to 266.41 meter. S3 is equal to 266.41 meter. Answer. S3 is equal to 266.41 meter. Answer. Next, question number 10, last one. In the same numerical, data is same. In the same numerical, in the above problem, find the time taken by the train to stop after the application of brake. In the same numerical, now we will find time. 2.10. Data is same. T is equal to question mark. We have to find time. We have to find time in this numerical. For this, we use first equation of motion. Vf is equal to Vi plus AT. In place of VF, we write V3. In place of VI, we write V1. Putting values 0. V1 is equal to 26.67. A is equal to minus 0.334 into T. When we bring 26.67 from right hand side to left hand side, their sign will be changed. Minus 26.67 is equal to minus 0.334 into T. Minus will be cancelled with minus. 26.67 divided by 0.334 is equal to T. When we bring 0.334 from right hand side to left hand side, then 0.334 will be divided. Now we may use calculator. 26.67 divided by 0.334, 78.9. Time is equal to 79.8 second. We may write it as 80 second. Answer. Time is equal to 80 second. Okay, students.